Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but if you are new here, then you need to check out my previous videos because I started doing dumpster dive videos, and I'm telling you, you won't even believe the stuff that I'm finding behind these department stores. It's crazy insane the amount of stuff that I have been finding. So go check out those videos. But today I'm going to show you my Dollar Tree haul, and I have quite a bit of stuff to show you. It has been, like I said, a minute, but let's get back into it. I have some really cute stuff. So first, this is the first time I've seen them. Dollar Tree carry the Thomas bagels. Everything bagels is my daughter's favorite, and she was just running low. So when I found these in the Dollar Tree, I snagged these up real quick, and it shows they don't expire until the 9th, which is fine because I'm sure she'll eat them all by then. But yeah, and for $1, that's a pretty awesome score. All right, and then I have been on the lookout for these, and I finally found them by Betty Crocker, these brittle mixes. And it says chocolate chip cookie, ready in 3 easy steps. I picked up a few bags of them because, again, I was on the lookout for them and couldn't find them for a while. And then one day they just popped up in my store finally. So, yeah, that's it's a 14-ounce bag, and I'm not sure how much it makes, but let's see if it says. Not sure, but it shows that this doesn't expire until March of 2021. So, yep, nice little find there. I'm excited to try that. Looks really good. All right, and I picked this up, this Fiddle Faddle. It's funny because I used to buy this all the time when I was younger. I used to ride my bike over to the store, and I loved this stuff. So it brought back a lot of memories when I was younger. But yeah, so I picked up a box of that, and then found these adorable lip smacker, the Coca-Cola. They have cherry, cola, vanilla, and regular. So I grabbed that because my daughter loves Coca-Cola product, and I'm just starting to pick up little things here and there. So a little stocking stuffer. This is great ideas to pick up now. Even like with this, putting this together with like from Dollar Tree, like maybe one of their, they sell Betty Crocker spoons and spatulas and all that kind of stuff, and put it with one of their hand towels or something cute for Christmas and tie a ribbon around it, or even put it in a mixing bowl would be really cute. So it's just some cute ideas to start picking up stuff now. And then I did grab, I always need this size box, and there's 4 of these in there, and I loved this little Santa and the little snowman. So I did pick up, it's an 8-inch by 7-inch by 3. So perfect little box when I always just feel like I need that size box to wrap little gifts that I pick up. So grabbed that. This was really cute. I normally, again, don't pick up a lot of knick-knacky things, but this was so cute. And I was going to put it's a solar dancer. How cute. And I love my snowman. I was going to put a little sticky thing on it and put it in my car. And it is just so cute. There's a little solar thing. And they had, I think, a reindeer and a Santa, maybe a Christmas tree. Don't take me on my word right there, but I'm pretty sure. But there was a variety of these, and this was just so cute. So I'm going to put that in my car for Christmas. I couldn't resist. All right, and then I did find these little furniture scratch markers, which I want to try because, like, this guy right here, this is actually like one of my favorite pieces in my house. I love this. This chest is so big and heavy, and it opens, and I keep blankets and stuff in here, but it does have some wear and stuff, so I really did want to try test a little area on this. Eventually, I'm just going to need to sand it and restain it, but for right now, I thought this would be, I'm just going to give it a try for $1, and they give you 3 different shades here: cherry, maple, and oak. So, yep, that was a nice little find, and that was like in their hardware section at the Dollar Tree, so check that out. All right, and then I did pick up one of these. I love these things, and I've been lighting a lot of candles lately because if you've been watching my dumpster dive videos, and you know that I have been scoring a ton of candles from Bath and Body Works. It's just been crazy. So I have been burning candles more, and so I have some in my living room and my bedroom, and I'm always like, where's the lighter, going from room to room. So yeah, I picked up one of those to save that problem. All right, and I love these. I get on a kick sometimes with something and I stick with it for like a month or two, and then I'm like done with it. But I love these sweetheart ropes. They normally have, it's the strawberry, where it's all the same flavor. This one is the Twisted Rainbow Punch. So yeah, and I notice these sell out quick too. Kids and people love these. But I'm a kid at heart and I love my candy. And so, yeah, I grabbed a few bags of those. And then another awesome childhood memory. And this is another great stocking stuffer item. So screenshot this right now, so you have the stuff that you know you want to find when you go back to Dollar Tree. But remember Shrinky Dinks. When I was growing up, that was all of the craze. It was so awesome, coloring something, putting in the oven and watching it shrink and hard, and then making it into like little keychains and little things. I mean, this was just such an awesome thing I loved. And when I saw these at Dollar Tree, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to grab these so I can do these with my daughter. And I don't care if she's not too old. But you can see the little design here, and they had a Trolls one and maybe Frozen movie character. But yep, I grabbed the Minnie Mouse, and it shows 6 designs there. But look at how cute. So yeah, if you can find these, grab these. Again, great for stocking stuffers. All right, so gnomes are like the thing right now with Christmas, and these little hand towels are so cute. So I grabbed a few of these for some Christmas gift ideas. But gnome for the holidays, how darling is that? So cute. And then they have these little gnome stuffed animal characters that are in the stores, and they're selling out like crazy because people are going in and buying like the whole case of them, so they're like hard to find. You can buy them on the Dollar Tree website. They are in bulk, but I'm sure you could sell them or give them, you know, put gift packages together with them. But that is the cutest little hand towel. And to match that, look at how cute these gnome socks are. And these two were going really fast. I went to a few stores. They were already sold out. And it says it's a men's, but they have the cutest design in the men's sock section at the Dollar Tree. So cute. It says fits a size 6 to 12. But yes, so cute. And again, great Christmas stocking stuffer idea. Then by Wet n Wild, I think this is the first time I've seen this at Dollar Tree, but it's the Blackest Black, and it's supposed to be 12 hours of intense color, retractable eyeliner. So I grabbed one of those. And another item that I have been on the hunt for at Dollar Tree, and finally my Dollar Tree's got them, but these adorable Aroma diffusers. How cute are these? And I did pick up, I know it's maybe in here somewhere, but I did, here it is. I picked up the Lavender Fields little oil to use with this, but for $1, you guys, tell me right now, this isn't awesome for Christmas gifts to put together with the little oils. Just so awesome. And I've noticed that, you know, each store is different, but a few of the stores are keeping them in the candle aisle, and some are like on the bottom shelves or the end caps in the bottom. If you can't find it, ask, you know, a store clerk. But that's a really cute. I'm excited to try these. So I grabbed a few of those, and again, with the little essential oils. Well, I don't think this is essential, but it's more probably fragrance. But yeah, so grab that. All right, next on my list here, this was so cute, but the Renewsits, the Snuggle Homemade Apple Pie. Oh, I can already smell it through here, and it's so good, and it was just so cute. So I'm like, I'm gonna grab one of those, And oh, I grabbed another oil, and this one is Soothing Sandalwood. So I grabbed a couple just to try them with the diffuser. Then I found this Heinz Hot and Spicy tomato ketchup. How awesome. And it says Tabasco is the spicy ingredient in there, and it is a 14 ounce. So $1 for that, and I wanted to give that a try. Batteries, that little not fun stuff that I picked up. And then I found these, and I love my bath bombs. This is by Aroma. This one is Purify Tea Tree and Sweet Orange, and this one is Calm Lavender and Chamomile. Look at how cute those are. Again, great Christmas ideas. So grabbed a few of these double butter melt bath melts with shea butter and coca butter. Yep, with both of those. So how nice is that? So I grabbed a few of those, and been seeing, these are supposed to be the little craze right now at Dollar Tree, but they're the gnome bath bombs, and it says that there's the pumice stone inside. So I don't know. I'm going to see what's going on with that. But again, awesome Christmas ideas. So I grabbed a few of these. This is really cute. And those were hard to find too. Another item that brought back, I used to eat this when I was younger. And normally I don't buy a lot of this type of canned food to eat. But I had to, just because it brought back a lot of memories. But the Hormel tamales, and this one is chicken and chili sauce, 99% fat-free. Doesn't really mean much because it has a ton of sodium and a lot of carbs. But yeah, so I grabbed a couple cans. I was telling my daughter about it. I'm like, oh, I used to love this stuff. And next, so cute, grabbed one of these. Where you like to make puppy chow. Every Christmas, that is our thing here. We make puppy chow. We love pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, but we give out puppy chow at Christmas time, and we like to put them in different little containers. So I grabbed some of these. So cute. And those things go really fast at Dollar Tree. Don't wait last minute if you need those, because I'm telling you, if you do, they go quick. All right. Next is, and these, you know, Dollar Tree, sometimes they have these in the store and sometimes they don't, and they won't have them for like months. So if you guys like these, you better grab a bunch of them while you have them. But I love it. It's artificial nails, but they come as the silhouette the shape, but you can file it down as a coffin. So it kind of tells you. It could be deceiving because you think both shapes are in there, but it's not. It's only this shape, but you can file it down to that shape, the coffin shape. And there are 100 in each pack. So just to give you an idea, I did mine, and I love it because I can just glue them on, and then I painted them. So, and my polish is from Dollar Tree too. And I love this color. But yeah, so if you find these, grab yourself some, because again, Dollar Tree does not keep those in stock on the regular. I can tell you that. Next, one of the cutest candles I have ever seen at Dollar Tree. How cute is this candle? Not that I need any more candles, but it was too freaking cute to pass up. And it's like, you know, not flat print. It looks like a ribbon is been wrapped around it. But anyways, if you can understand what I'm saying, it's so darn cute. So I grabbed a few of those. And the last couple items here, I love this. As you see, I have my one that I purchased before Halloween. I really think that is so cute. And then I found this Happy Holidays one, and I'm loving the red truck theme right now that's going on in all of the stores, and Dollar Tree is really coming through with the red truck with everything. But yes, how darling is that? And last is this. This is so cute, you guys. I just couldn't resist. I just thought it was so cute. You'll probably see it in one of my videos to put a little candle in there, but look at that. It is so cute. So that is that today, guys. I think that's everything. All right, guys. Well, if you enjoyed this video, it really, really helps my channel when you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Tell me, you know, if you're finding any of these items in your store or what you're not finding, or if you're finding anything new. And if you just look down below in my description, I have started a Facebook group to share Dollar Tree ideas. And if you guys want to trade or sell items or just show your pictures, you know, that's all that you can do, all of that there on that group. Also, I have an Instagram page as well, so follow those links down below. And if you again haven't checked out my dumpster dive videos, you are missing out, so make sure you check out those and hit that subscribe and the notification bell. That notification bell is going to notify you right when I post a video, and you don't want to miss them. So all right, guys, well, that's it. Have a great rest of your day and stay tuned. I have an awesome dumpster dive video following this video. Have a great night, guys.